Who likes Brussels sprouts? Well, today I'm going to show you how to plant Brussels sprouts in the Victory Garden at the Soil King. And so we have Brussels sprouts planted in baby root seed. A few weeks ago I went ahead, actually it wasn't even a few weeks ago, it was about I think 8 days, maybe 9 days right now. I went ahead and dropped seeds right in baby roots, added water. This is what I like to do. I love azospirillum. So this is a bacteria. Perfect for your roots. Remember, big roots already has all your mycorrhizal in it. And plenty of different types and different spores. Grab a few of these out. They're gonna love their new home. So even with Brussels sprouts, you know, I love to grow these fall vegetables, but even with Brussels sprouts, they grow tall. So you want, the typical distance is 18 to 24 inches between a Brussels sprout to a Brussels sprout in difference in spread. However, when you're doing raised beds, you don't always have that size, you know, you don't have that. You want to get as much possible yield as you possibly can in a small spot. So with that being said, I always go about 14 inches is kind of what I like. And as the leaves start coming over and crossing over each other, I just trim those off. So we're going to get more. I'm going to get an extra plant in here than typical 18 to 24 inches. And so this is how I do it. I grab a handful of Terra Visco, mix it in the soil right there. I just grab a pinch, that's all I do, and put it right in there. Remember, this azospirillum, has 200 times the propagation rate as Extreme's azo. So you get such a bang for your money with this over Extreme. That's it. I just put it right in there. I mean, those roots are gonna say, yeehaw, right? I'm gonna do 3 of them in here. Another handful of Terra Visco vermicompost. Just a little bit of azospirillum. Drop it in that one. We'll do this one. You can't really use too much of this, so you're fine on that. You can't use too much of either one of these products. Mr. B's green trees, you just want to use enough. You don't want to overdo that either. I mean, and there it is. So there we have a Brussels sprout garden. These will come up. As you can see, we have multiple ones in here. And what I like to do with anything is I put multiple seeds in when I start it. I let and see which one's going to be the sturdiest and the one that has the most strength coming out the gate, and then I trim back the ones that are weaker, and we end up with one plant. And with that being said, thank you for tuning in. Come to thesoilking.com. You can find all these products. Send me a message anytime, like, we are better together. You know, this is our culture, and there's no segregation in agriculture. Thank you.